Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rename your projects on Canva. So go to recent designs and you can either select the title here and rename it, or if you're on the current project you're in, you can just rename it right here and you can type in whatever you want and it's just going to be automatically saved as that project name. If I refresh it, it's going to change to project. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.